On our Grand Circle RV tour, we're making two quick but unforgettable stops: the ancient cliff dwellings of Mesa Verde and the breathtaking mountain town of Estes Park.
Wow! Join us now! Mesa Verde National Park is located in southwestern Colorado, where you can see some of the best preserved ancestral Puebloan and cave-dwelling sites in the United States.
We're in the Rockies now and heading to Estes Park and Rocky Mountain National Park.
Estes Park is the gateway to Rocky Mountain National Park, but we didn't stick around long. The town and Rocky Mountain National Park both had strict COVID rules and closures. To make things worse, the national park system introduced a brand new timed entry system.
Not exactly our style. We're more like show up and see what happens. Luckily later, a ranger at Arches National Park gave us the secret: roll in before 9 a.m. or after 5.
And you're golden. What a relief.
You said it. I let Mai pick out our brand new camper, and you can see how spacious it is. My only rule: it had to be small enough to drive without needing a tow vehicle.
With beautiful views of Rocky Mountain National Park as a backdrop, Elk Meadow Lodge and RV Resort blends both scenery and history for a true outdoor experience, and it's only a mile away from the entrance of Rocky Mountain National Park. We left you a link below in the description. Please don't forget to give us a like.
Estes Park has beautiful bike trails. We thought we'd park here and have an awesome bike ride. We didn't mind that it changed to a phenomenal photo shoot instead.
You can see plenty of elk herds in Estes Park. They're even common downtown. You'll often see them strolling the streets or packed into the Kroger parking lot. We felt lucky to spot them in their natural setting instead.
Mesa Verde's history and Estes Park's scenery made for an amazing time on our Grand Circle RV tour.
But this is just one stop. You can watch it all on our Grand Circle RV video. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Hey, we really appreciate it. Now, YouTube's got these videos here they picked for you to watch, and they're ours too.